Hi, my name is Haitianjonas and I'm showing you soda right now. And I'm about to show you the culture of Haiti. If you've never been here, I would love for you to come. The road is beautiful, the road is done. This is a place where people come and celebrate on the 4th of July 2 days. They come and give sacrifice. Let's go to Haiti. T-Vi said, welcome to Haiti. Welcome to Haiti is a place where you are no longer stressful. But at the same time, there's stress. Kidnapping stress. A lot of the diaspora would love to come to Haiti, especially during the Christmas. They scared. They can't come because all this kidnapping. The beauty of Haiti that they're going to miss right now is the waterfall. Why Haitianjonas have to go to Jamaica instead of his country? Why? When he was born in the country, a country, we call it paradise. So many people would love to see this country, would love to stay here, would love to have fun. The beach is beautiful. Beach is unbelievable. Have you been to Haiti? A lot of people think Haitianjonas hate Haiti. No, I hate the people who are corrupting the country. Haiti stay Haiti. I'm fighting for my country. A lot of people think I'm a journalist. I'm not. I'm an activist. You see the beauty? You see what colors the water? HD blue. This is one thing people don't know about this country. We call it paradise. We call it Haiti, Quisqueya, Saint-Domingue. Have you been to Haiti? I just want to know if I'm showing you much. Have I showed you this place? It's for you to find out. Yes, this is Haiti. Haiti. Have you been there? I would love to invite you. By the way, kidnapping happened to diaspora. It doesn't happen to other culture. Only black people get kidnapped in Haiti. Or sometimes light skin. But for Caucasian, you don't have to worry about anything. As long as you're American, you're protected. This country is a country that's being wasted. Our people don't know the value of it. Us diaspora, we know. We work hard. Nights and days. Nights and days, man. We save to come down. At the same time, we have these big people who are trying to rob us. When I'm in Haiti, I'm by the beach. Wait for the sunset. Everything. When I'm hungry, you see the natural. Carrots. Tablets. Conch. Mangoes. Good mangoes. The best Haitian mangoes. Conch. Everywhere you go. Pistache Gruyere with such peanuts. Poisson bouconnet, you can get it gelé. Cassave. I don't really drink beer, but you have to get my bouconnet and some prestige together. Malta, it's good for you, for stamina. The conch too. Barbecue rum, if you ever, oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. Kun, you gotta get it natural. The way to do this, cutting it off. The food is unbelievable. Food is like an art. The way Haitian make it. Patties, oh my gosh. By the way, if you don't get it at Le Foyer. Maï moulin. That's what we call grits in America. Ooh, my gosh. Some of you gonna get hungry. Some good chicken, marinated. That's Haitian food. When it comes to the art, this is something else. It's all art. This is the culture. We have so many to share with you. So many. Some of you don't know. Haiti is a place to be. But right now, with the insecurity, we can't even go and get the natural stuff. This is art. These arts you can put in your house. This is what I want you to see. Oh, some of you guys would like to have some sandals, bags. Every time somebody Haitian going away, especially when they're going away, if you're from a different country, please ask them to get you some art. It's better to get it from our brothers because they know how to buy it. Everything is different. Especially in America, how we paint our house. You want it to be beautiful. The girls are beautiful. Everything is beautiful in Haiti. Even our our bus is very beautiful. We make this. We design it. I want to welcome you to Haiti and have fun. Enjoy this little video that I'm going to show you. The beauty of Haiti. Haitianjonas.com. Power to the Haitians.
For faire lui. Ou vin pour faire for faire. Yeah.
I'm going to Facebook, YouTube.
Oula.
Sell me café ça.
Ah oui, ça, yo.
Sell moi.
Où met dit ça?
Diaspora wa café ça.
OK.
Sou konnen café ça. Vin sodo. Vin fel.
Et ou fait net.
Fel. Ay complexe là.
Yeah.
Ay go moun. Ou wen? Maté di fel tout. Wow.
Mais c'est où Amatélique fait?
Et moi j'ai maté di fel. Nous aimons pays nous. Ou wen?
Faut avoir courage.
Faut avoir courage. Ah c'est m'a manger chicken blanc yo. Yo fait avec pile yo.
Sans laver.
Avec lumière yo.
Sans laver.
Moi sans laver, sans cuire, sans nettoyer. Vous t'as ça pas manger dire manger seulement. Pas de bon, oui.
Yeah.
Parce que au Patrick même ouais Patrick a regardé là. C'est là l'a regardé en bas.
Non, derrière mon gomme.
Derrière mon collier en bas.
Même deux mangots déjà.
Là.
Patrick, mango ça c'est que serré yo.
Qui ça?
Yo que c'est mango ça yo. Mango va chercher yo.
Non, mais nous, Jonas nous.
Pas
Pas nous de mon mango.
d'entrer dans de l'eau aïe. Mais
Doa trop chaud.
trop chaud.
Ça son mango fil.
Il y a un poisson en bas de l'eau.
Gen poisson pour manger dans de l'eau.
Puis ils sont peut-être allés là.
Ça son mango fil.
Non, pas grave, on va chercher sur les connaît.
Ça sont mango classique.
Ça son mango fil.
Ça sont mango fil.
Et le fil là, nous pas feeling, non?
Ah, le mango douce comme ça.
Mango douce comme ça.
Mais bien avec toi pour le bonheur.
Mango douce comme ça.
Sinon, ça fil, c'est pas son femme.
Comment tu Patrick?